class either. Okay, so now we're ready to print this. So here's how this works. I've got this saved, and I'm going to open a new file. Brand new file. There's that damn grid. There's that damn view cube.
You're opening a new file?
Totally new file, because I'm going to put it on a title block.
Oh.
Said open. New file. There are two things that come into this file. Only two things. I'm going to put in the title block right at the origin. And then I'm going to insert this file at 1/6 of its original size. How tall was it? 30. What's it going to be at 1/6? 5 by 5. And it'll fit inside that area. So here we go. I enter. Hang on one sec. We'll get there. And I'm going to go find my title block. I got it here somewhere. There it is.
You're inserting?
My DMTTBL. There it is. And I'm going to open that title block. I'm going to insert it right at the origin. No scale. Click OK. There's my title block. This is the one I told you you'd be using. And I'm going to insert the file we just made. I enter, browse over and find my AF quiz. It's on I've saved it to my desktop. This one I need to scale. 1/6. I'm going to specify insertion on screen and click OK. I'm going to kind of position it over here first, and then I'm going to move it so that it's centered in my drawing area. I have to put this centered in the drawing area. Where's the center of this shape?
It's between the mid.
There's different ways we could get it. We could do the mid between 2 points, right? We could do a geometric center of that square. Of course, it's not a square anymore. It's 4 lines, so it doesn't have a geometric center. I could do a mid between 2 points, but I also know this lower line is where? It's already at the middle, so the midpoint of that lower line is the same as the mid between 2 points. Either way I get to it, I want to move that point, or move this object from the middle here to the middle of this area. So I'm going to do it real slow. Select, enter. I'm going to use the middle of this line, so I need to change my O-snaps to find the midpoint. Turn off nearest, because that'll be a game wrecker.
What did you say it was, midpoint?
Mid of this line, it's like 1 unit in front of the crossbar. Bing. So now I have it. And then I'm going to say Shift, right click. I'm going to select my option, mid between 2 points. Now it's looking for 2 clicks. What do my O-snaps have turned on? Midpoint. And if I click midpoint, it's going to pick the middle of this line, which is there, and it's going to find it it's going to snap it right there. I don't want to do that. So I need to change my O-snaps again. The command is still active. It doesn't matter. I can come down here to my O-snaps and turn on endpoint, which I want. I can turn mid off, which I want. Now it's looking for endpoints, and I can click 1 endpoint here and 1 here. Here and there. Okay, select it. Enter. Pick the midpoint of that lower horizontal line. See, there's this horizontal. The lower one, pick the middle. You got nearest turned on. That's why it says the game killer. So turn nearest off. Not playing more shoes. Good. Now click here. Right here. You got it. Move your mouse. It should follow you, right? Now do shift right click. Click. There's between two. There. Yeah, you got it. Yep, you can do it in the middle of the command. You're all good. Yeah, there is some block editing I need to do. I need to correct the text here. Today's date, project number, we're going to say instead of project number, we're going to write midterm. Instead of project title, we're going to write AF. And down here on dates, today. And this is going to say, we'll put AF here too. So let's just do that. So here we go. Project title, I'm going to first pick the title block, and I need to block edit. BE, enter. And I need to edit, oops, I don't want to edit that. Blah, blah, blah. Close editor. I want to pick the right one to edit. BE, enter. The one I want to edit is called 10x8 TTBL. The project title, I'm going to change. Instead of the words project title, I'm going to put in midterm. Well, it's not really the midterm, but that's what we're going to call it. Project number. Let's call this, I guess it's really project number 3. We could call it that. Project number 3. Today's date. Recording time here, 01/24/2019. And the sheet name here, I'm just going to type A-F. And then we close the block editor. And it looks like that. This is a fabulous time to save. Let's call this just the letter F, capital F. Because in a minute you're going to do it with A. The last step to this is learning how to print. Are we ready for that? Okay, here we go. PLOT. We've done this a couple times in this week already. Here's the third time. First thing we're going to do is set our printer to the 606. The next thing we're going to do is change our plot area to a window, and we're going to pick the large rectangle as the corners. See the white line on my screen? That's my plot window. What else do I need to do? I'm going to cancel the fit to paper, and I'm going to center the plot. So let's center the plot first. Center the plot. Not fit it to paper. Instead, it should be 1:1. And finally, pick the Y2K printer. It's called Y2K 4100. Preview that. Looks like this. So you're going to be working on the A. You're going to follow the exact instructions that are on the sheet. You can use your notes, but you can't use each other. And all I'm going to be grading is the hard copy. However, my policy is that if you get something wrong, I'll usually say fix this. So keep it organized in a way that you'll be able to open it up and fix things afterwards. Does that make sense? So that means you'll need to establish your own saving methods. I've given you all the examples here with the F. And now it's your turn to do the A. Same title block information. Any questions? All right, have fun.